My wife makes my sandwich, so I have to call it a 10.
I make my own. It's a 10.
That's why it's a PB&J.
You eat the same every day. Every day he eats peanut butter and jelly. It doesn't change ever.
Every single day.
So you wanna be a gangster?
Do you eat it because you like it, or you eat it because it's the only thing you know how to make?
Both.
You know what we should do? Is do a Breakfast Club scene and just have, look what it's in Jack's lunchbox. You know, like Breakfast Club when the guy's taking out all the stuff out of his lunchbox. It's like
Putting it on the table.
donuts, sandwiches,
Yeah.
potato chips.
Warm cheese stick, granola bar,
I hear that every
hard
day.
boiled egg,
Yep.
Pop Tart, and that's it for today.
Oh, and a sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
That's it.
No record of measurements.
Oh my God, you're back on there. Yeah, there you go, Jack. What did they teach you in tech?
I don't know. I mean, they taught us it, but it doesn't mean I paid attention.
Hi, I'm Sarah McLaughlin. Please say you'll be the answer for an innocent animal who is suffering right now.
Well, when you measure other things, you're probably way off. Don't be shy now, guy.
What?
Come on, Jack. Tell the camera what you did this weekend.
Bridgewater Fair, went showing cows. Showing cattle at the Bridgewater Fair.
Okay, did we win prizes? Let's go. Tell the whole story.
Of course we did. I don't remember what we won, but we
Yes,
won
you do. There was a whole bunch of ribbons on the wall, and Jack was a part of it.
Wait, so what'd you do? I helped my girlfriend show cattle this weekend at the Bridgewater Fair, so it was a fun time.
And did you get to milk any cows?
No, I didn't this weekend. No.
That's disappointing. I told him we want a video of Jack trying to milk a cow. That'd be pretty funny. Yeah, his girlfriend won a bunch of prizes for, you know, nicest cow. Thing was massive. Jack don't want to tell any stories about it. His girlfriend's gonna be pissed.
What up? Well, we got a gas furnace inside with a coil on top. This is part of the unfinished basement. And there's a finished basement over there with, you know, carpet and drop ceiling. Our line set's going above the ceiling over there to terminate outside. We have a condenser outside on that side of the house. So we're just kind of using our existing ductwork to connect up with our new fantastic Amana gas furnace here. There's nothing we can't get done. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's a basement and not an attic.
Hurry up!
Safety first. Ready for action. Oh no.
Ready for action.
I dropped it, but you gotta watch your head when you got your haircut on. Safety first. Safety first. Jared's running the line sets over the drop ceiling over there. We're coming probably almost follow the same exact way these came down. Connect into here. Connect to the outdoor unit. Put that on pressure as far as nitrogen. We can cover this all back up, tape everything up. Everything's got to get wired back in. The gas has to get tapped back in. We still got to connect our return over here. We're getting there. Jeremy's working real hard. Did you understand it? Because I didn't understand that either.
I don't know, I'm gonna subtitle that.
It's a big baby face.
Rada, rada, rada. Rada, rada, rada.
But yeah, this is, I had to go back to the shop to prefab some duct, even though we had some. Made for us, you never know what you're really going to run into when you get out to the job, so I had to run back and make a couple things, but it's the life of a heating and air conditioning person. You never know what you're going to need, really, you know? What's up, Jared?
What happened to the music?
You walked away.
Oh. A little OAR today. Can't even say it.
Or.
Some force. Be careful not to shoot anything through the coil. Oops. Yeah, it's a big oops. I don't want to make that oops. I don't think anybody does.
Can you get my hard hat in here?
You wanna wear a hard hat?
Wow. most companies would never even put in this size. They just go with the minimal size piping, which is not per manufacturer. I mean, this is 1 1/8. I know supply houses that don't even carry this stuff. So what do you think people are putting in then? Not the right stuff. Oh, that's right.
Putting up some gas piping right now. Well, not putting up. We're connecting to the existing gas piping for our supply. We got to get from the bottom of this valve right here over here.
We're wiring up the furnace with all the right stuff. This is what they had on the furnace to begin with. You know, a switch and an outlet for the pump with this. This didn't have a cover on it, you know, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do everything to code, like it should be. Nice red handled, beautiful cover that says gas burner. Look at that, huh? And then if people have a problem, they know it says gas burner. It's the only way we do it here at Surf Star. Do it right, unless Corey does it. Oh! So I don't know if everybody knows out there, but right now Corey Boudreau is a wood floor professional installer. He put a floor down at his house, so anybody needing any flooring done, I'm sure Corey would give his time to you, and yeah, you could have a nice professional floor
For free.
for free.
Yeah, it's all part of the job, right?
Yeah. It's called giving back to the community.
I love my community, guys. It's all about the community.
It's lunchtime.
What's up, J Video?
Eat some lunch. You want to eat some lunch?
Yes.
Start. Jack's a hungry boy.
Hungry bird.
Jackie.
Jerry, you want another water or you're good?
Very flat Italian,
Looks
half
that
of
way. Would
Italian
somebody sit
sandwich.
on it?
You know, while we were there, you should have just ordered something.
Yeah, but I don't like ordering stuff because then it gets too soggy.
What is it, mobile?
No, highway.
Oh.
Yeah. We stopped there and then I looked at the gas gauge and I was like, we need gas.
Yeah, on the way back.
Yeah, we were pushing empty.
Hey.
Delicious.
4 days on that.
What kind of sandwich is it?
Italian
Not 4
combo.
days. More like
Not bad.
48.
How'd you rate it?
Out of 10? 4.5.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
It's not bad. I'm not picky.
My wife makes my sandwich, so I have to call it a 10.
I make my own. It's a 10.
That's why it's a PB&J.
He eats the same every day. Every day he eats peanut butter and jelly. It doesn't change ever.
Every single day.
So you wanna be a gangster?
Do you eat it because you like it, or you eat it because it's the only thing you know how to make?
Both.
You know what we should do? Is do a breakfast club scene and just have, look what it's in Jack's lunchbox. You know, like Breakfast Club when the guy's taking out all the stuff out of his lunchbox. It's like
Putting it on the table.
donuts, sandwiches,
Yeah.
potato chips.
Warm cheese stick, granola bar,
I hear that every day.
hard-boiled egg,
Yep.
Pop-Tart, and that's it for today.
Oh, and a sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
That's it. It's looking a little light today, Jack. You alright?
The cabinets were looking light this morning.
Did you go shopping this weekend or what?
What was that thing in there?
What?
The motorcycle then.
This? It's my ice pack.
That's your dude. That's a child's ice pack. Jack. How long have you had that?
Probably since elementary school.
Wow.
Capicola tastes good on here. Capicola. You know what Capicola is?
No? What is it?
He's not Italian.
It's a deli meat.
I'm not Italian.
Spicy. It's delicious.
I'm American. I eat Pop-Tarts, cheese sticks, and hard-boiled eggs.
And PB&Js.
What?